So everyone loves hearing about the news. So we're going to do a broadcast, and it's 2019. Let's pretend it's 2019, and I'm going to record everybody who had a sniffle or a cough or got a cold. I'm going to write it down. I'm going to say the numbers are increasing. It's 1 million who had symptoms of cold. But I think most people by now understand that all media is like a subterfuge. It's owned by just a few people, and you can basically decide your agenda and kind of invite people to go along with you or feel a certain way. Now we're going to broadcast this because we want you to feel this. And you can either, of course, turn it off and not tune into it and do your life. Or I guess it works on some people. The numbers. This many people got a cough. So I trust people are smart enough to do their lives and focus on their own health.